talking Ethereum versus Matic. Is Polygon going to be a better investment than Ethereum in 2023? I'm here to try and tell you if it will or not. Now, disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only.
So let's see what I got to say. Let's jump straight in. Ethereum, alongside Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of the cryptocurrencies that are well known even outside of the crypto community. And it's for a good reason. So Ethereum is one of the most feature-rich and interesting blockchains out there. Besides being an incredibly innovative technology, Ethereum is also a great asset for investments. Unlike small altcoins, it has less of a chance to crash and burn, but it still has the potential to moon and bring its investors astronomical profits. Now, in this article, we will attempt to forecast how Ethereum's price may behave in the future. Please remember that due to unpredictable and volatile nature of cryptocurrency markets, all crypto price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt. This article does not constitute investment advice. Now, touching on Polygon, the recent developments surrounding Polygon Matic are remarkable. In the first 2 weeks of 2023, Polygon actually announced significant partnership with names like Disney and Reddit. So there is also exciting launch of Web3 focused incubator with fintech giant MasterCard. On top of all that, Polygon has disclosed that it will be going ahead with the plan to hard fork the network. Now, all these developments combined with the network's impressive analytics insight unequivocally put Polygon in a position of strength. But what does the future hold for this Ethereum scaling solution? Let's take a closer look. Matic price is currently at USD $0.9671 after reaching a high of $1.05 and is up 21.2% in the last 7 days. The current global ranking is at number 10 with a market cap of 8.4 billion USD. Matic price was stuck in a sideways trend between 25 cents and 90 cents for some weeks before gaining 10% in the 24 hours on the 14th of Jan, guys. Now, the price predictions. The current market sentiment favors Matic, and Matic is likely to have more gains in the future. According to analytics predictions of 2023, Matic could be looking at $1.2 in the short term and 1.8 in the midterm. The long term, the altcoin could be looking at prices as high as $2.50 by the end of the year. The Polygon has actually secured many partnerships that have bolstered its popularity in increased and usability. The newest collaboration, Polygon has announced a partnership with fintech giant MasterCard, like I spoke about before, to launch a Web3 focused incubator. Disney and Reddit have also forged collaborations like we spoke about with the platform, while crypto payment Stripe has established large crypto payments using the technology. So in 8 months, institutional deposits worth more than 11 billion were recorded by Polygon, thanks to the performance and Ethereum's POS and plasma bridges. Polygon is actually a blockchain network built on top of Ethereum for faster and cheaper Ethereum experience, but it's far more than just a scaling solution. Okay, over the years, Polygon has actually grown to be the most popular scaling solution for Ethereum applications and offers many tools as SDK keys are valuable for blockchain developers with an ambitious team, passionate community, big name partnerships, the dedication to improving the Web3 experience. Polygon is a name that cannot be ignored. Now, guys, Polygon is the biggest layer 2 scaling solution to Ethereum's gas fee problem. According to the Cointelegraph, Polygon's network is a plasma chain, proof of stake blockchain that runs in parallel to Ethereum to reduce gas fees and increases transaction speed by bundling transactions together with advanced cryptographic proofs, providing Polygon the ability to potentially handle 65,000 TPS. So in addition, gas fees are on Polygon as measured as pennies, whereas Ethereum, they cost tens of dollars. With the ability to easily port crypto wallets in Ethereum's blockchain smart contracts, its network, along with providing SDKs and tools for deploying the new blockchains, the dApp ecosystem exploded in size and popularity since its humble beginnings as the Matic Network. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.